Hello YouTube, Satch175. This is going to be my final break of the night. Big, huge break. Oh, very expensive box. High risk. High risk. High reward. Wish me luck. I'm kind of scared, but oh well. We'll see how we do. Tiger Stripe autos are the ones you want to get in here. There's also silver prisms. There's 2 silver prisms per box. On average is 8 packs. There's 1 pack per box. This is the Asian Panini Prizm choice. The big guy we're going for is him or Ja. I would appreciate one of them. We'll see what happens. I'll be happy to. Oof. A little bit of curve to the cards. Oof. I'm nervous. Wish me luck. Let me do a sign of the cross first. Oh boy, it says choice on the wrapper there. Seen a lot of these breaks online, and some of them are good and some of them are bad. Oh boy. Alright. Oh man, we got a silver thorn. Oh, we got a tiger stripe. And a silver mold bomb, but that's not who I wanted. Okay. So, oh, we got an auto or some sort. Alright, we got a Keldon Johnson rookie. It's cool to see what the tiger stripes look like. I didn't think I was actually going to get a Zion or a Ja. That's just impossible. But man, those are beautiful cards. Oh, wow. Hopefully Keldon turns out pretty good. We got a signature number to 88. Kawhi Leonard. Give me a rookie. Oh, God. Not even a rookie, but we got Kobe. But, yeah. We did not make our money back on this box, I don't think. Alright. So, yeah. I won't be gambling with this stuff anymore. This is too rich for my blood, but you never know if you got that. If you got that Ja or it's like, you know, a lottery ticket. If you got that Ja or that Zion, it would have been huge, but such a cool card, the tiger stripe. Glad I at least got one. Some packs, I wanted to see what it looks like in person. Some packs don't even get them. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hey, in my depression, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the video. Have a great evening. Thanks for watching.